Hello YouTube, this is Owen again from uniquelightingcompany.com. That's my website where you can see all my unusual handmade lights, which is one of which I'm going to show you today, which is this table lamp I've just finished making. Solid wood, and it's an unusual design. It's got LEDs built into it, and you can see them shining through some pieces of opaque plastic, which are incorporated really nice and smooth and flush into the wood. So what I'm going to try and do is do a little video for a few of my popular designs, just to sort of showcase it a bit better and show what it looks like and the light output, because sometimes it's really hard to show in a photo, and I get asked that a lot. So yeah, I'm just going to grab my camera and I'll show you a bit of a close-up, okay? Okay, so here we are. This is the lamp I was just showing you. I've just finished it today. It's made from a single solid piece of wood, as you can see, separated by sections with LEDs inside, so the light all comes with that from within. It's quite a modern, sleek, sort of minimalist design. This wood is called Niangon. It's quite unusual. It's got a nice reddish sort of brown colour to it, lovely grain. Sands up beautiful. Hope you can see this real nice smooth finish to it once it's been sanded and waxed. So yeah, I like working with this wood. It gives you a nice finish. Turn the light off. You can see the frosted perspex, which is what allows the LEDs to come through. It's not a very bright light. It's not designed to light up a room or anything. If I just turn the lights out, you'll see it's got a nice soft subtle glow to it. Okay for lighting up a dark corner or something. Table lamp, nice soft light, but yeah, it's not going to be harsh or bright or anything, but that's what it's designed for. So yeah, power comes from a plug-in type driver, 12 volt power supply. I've got these in European types as shown, UK types, USA types and Australian types. So whenever I ship a light abroad, I always send it with the suitable plug, so I haven't got to worry about adapters. Every light comes with either an on-off switch, just a regular on-off switch, or a touch dimmer, which allows you to touch and hold the dimmer to dim the LEDs up and down. This customer's gone for a switch, so that's what they've chosen, no problem. So yeah, just thought I'd show you a little bit more about it. A lot of people worry about if and when the LEDs may fail, what happens there, because they are encased inside. I do test everything first for hours to make sure before I send anything, because I find with LEDs, if they're going to fail, they tend to fail quite quickly. So I give them a good test. And basically the LEDs I use, they've got an average sort of minimum lifespan of something like 50,000 hours, which compared to a rough usage of 2,000 hours a year on a regular sort of light bulb, you're looking at a lifetime of sort of 25 years plus. So they really are designed to sort of last for life, really. You know, if it comes to it, if one individual LED fails, it doesn't affect any of the others. So chances are in a light like this, you wouldn't even notice anyway, because there's so many in there. And if it comes to it, I personally can replace them myself. I send everything with guarantee, so if that's the case, I can replace them. So yeah, just thought I'd show you a bit more of what I do. Unusual designs, can be modern and sleek like this, or something rustic and industrial looking. In fact, tomorrow's what I'm working on tomorrow. These two logs here, real wooden logs, which I'm going to finish hollowing out, and these are actually going to go onto a wall, and they're going to be like a wall light or a wall sconce with LED lights both top and bottom. I'm going to put a nice sort of opaque cover on the top, and yeah, lovely rustic sort of unusual wall lights. That's what I do, just unusual things. So I'm going to maybe do a little video for a few of my popular designs, just because it does show a bit more than what photos can sometimes. So yeah, hopefully it might just be of use to someone. Any questions or comments or anything at all, just let me know. I'm happy to reply to anyone. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye.